A major snowstorm has affected millions of people across the northeast of the US on Monday. Heavy snow and winds reaching up to 80 km an hour forced some states to suspend flights and close roads and schools. Blizzard-like conditions have also complicated COVID-19 vaccination efforts, causing appointments to be pushed back a second time in a row. After New York's Mayor Bill de Blasio declared a state of emergency, all non-essential travel across the city is now restricted.
Stay off the road, stay off the streets and sidewalks, stay inside. If there's any way you can avoid traveling today.
Commercial flights scheduled to take off from the city's Kennedy and LaGuardia airports have also been cancelled. The National Weather Service predicts New York City could see up to 60 centimeters of snow by Tuesday evening, making it one of the biggest falls the city has ever seen. After New Jersey declared a state of emergency, its bus and rail operations were temporarily suspended. All 6 vaccine mega sites in the state were also closed. In Ocean City, high tides and storms caused floods and erosion. In Massachusetts, the National Weather Service warned of wind gusts up to more than 110 km an hour. In neighboring Connecticut, people were urged to avoid driving as snowstorms and gusty winds make it difficult to see on the roads. 66 vehicles were involved in one crash in Pennsylvania. In Baltimore, Maryland, a plane slid off the runway without any injuries. But the snow isn't bad news for everyone. Across the region, kids skipped online classes to enjoy some winter fun. Talib Erdogan, TRT World, New York.